saw. That's why it's got a mixture. Make sure you put all the parts back the way they are together.
You see the bearings? The bearings, needle bearings. What is this? Where is located? Is in the back or is in
front of the
Yeah, correct. And you see the seals?
Oh, you mean
both seals in tandem, one in front of the other one. You see?
facing inwards, one facing outwards.
Yeah.
It's your torch.
Two seals, no? Facing up, facing out, and the other facing in. You have oil in between and water out.
Keep water out, no oil in.
Correct. That's the idea. Nice, no? Nice.
So listen, you have a bolt out here? Yes. Okay. All right, so come over here real quick, both of you guys, all you guys. So you see this plastic piece? This plastic piece has to come out, all right? And then these lock them in, these have to come out. So this plastic insert has to come out, and then you gotta take this lock. This is what holds, you see this? That's what holds, it's a wedge that holds that carrier from coming out. See the wedge right here? That's that wedge, but you gotta take this plastic off, move these, take that out, screwdriver.
Okay.
All right, and then you gotta take the slide hammer and you pop up. You guys remember when I showed you the counter-rotating lower unit that it had a split shaft? So if it's a counter-rotation lower unit, you can't pull out the carrier unless you pull a shaft with it. So you wouldn't put a slide hammer on that because you have to slide that whole piece out. Okay? That one you can use a slide hammer, but there's a different tool for that. There.
That's Mickey Mouse technician.
Normally, listen. You would never do this. I would smack the shit out of all of you because you grab it. There's a socket that goes on it. The screw doesn't have it.
Right.
Okay. But since it's been apart, I knew that it's not a big deal. But let's say you lost the tool, you can. I probably wouldn't grab it from the splines. I would grab it from the shaft because then you can always emery cloth and take it out. Okay. All right. So okay, that's fine. So look, you're gonna twist. See how I twisted it? Because there's no threads on this. Bingo.
Okay.
See? And you gotta, when you take these out, you gotta make sure the O-ring's not screwed up. Okay? There you go. So, but before you can take that out, you still gotta take all this out. Okay?
Hook it in the back, right?
Yep. Like a man. Yeah, exactly. Ah! Perfect. Okay.
I didn't bring a tool, but I forgot.
Light assistance.
There's a tool for this. You're not doing it this way, but this one here, I didn't bring a tool. All right, see, it came loose. And now just bump it out. Don't kill it. Bump it out. Murder it. So now, I'm gonna get the shotgun.
Okay.
Okay.
Look, the propeller shaft is not coming out because the nut here, the nut of this.
Oh, you got the nut off?
No, it was.
Okay, well, you still got to take this off.
What's the easiest way? We don't want to break it.
No, it's okay. Look, lift this back up. Now that you have it loose, lift this back up. Tighten it right there. Give me 2 flathead screwdrivers. Usually this is not saved, okay? You're gonna replace all this.
You just
Like a man. Like a man.
Okay, haha, that's the mechanism. And you have that one. Okay, ready. This one is connected here, no?
Yes.
All right. How is the mechanism?
so you have the shifter that shifts it in the gear. You have the forward gear and the reverse
Move
gear.
the dog clutch, please. With the shifter,
Move it.
up and down. No.
There it is.
Okay.
Now you're in gear.
Perfect. That one is in gear and the other is free. Correct. And down.
Push it down.
Correct. That's perfect. Nice. Nice. That's great. Now up.
It wasn't back connecting now. Pull it up.
Correct. That's the other. That's great. No? Nice. Nice. Great. Let me bring grease and we are going to put it back.
There we go.
Eccole qua.
Unroll it out. This shift rod is it's a little fork, goes in this groove. You saw the other one was different, right?
Uh-huh.
So when you shift it, it pivots. So it goes like this, and then it goes like this to the clutch dog. So as this moves, and this is spline,
Oh, okay, nice.
okay?
Nice.
So when you put the shift rod back into, you better make sure it's in neutral, so you have the neutral position.
It's moving like this
Yes.
or like this?
So the other one was a pull up and down. This is actually twist.
Yeah,
side to
tran,
side.
and the
All
drive.
Mercury's have this.
Oh, nice.
All Mercury's have this.
This is the shoe.
And the one you saw over there,
This is
all everyone
exclusive
Johnson's
for
have.
Mercury.
It's exclusive for Mercury and Mercruisers.
Okay, all right.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
And this one
there's,
enter-
there's the shift mechanism. What do you prefer? Guys can't get on. Well, it doesn't matter to me. As far as Terry left, I should. I feel like what works.
You put grease. Correct.
Oh, you spin that.
That one. You have the light, please?
So when it's time for that license vehicle certification, he's like, so what's this cutting material? I'm gonna be like, right here, it's right there.
Okay. Correct.
Good.
Okay, now the nut.
To allow this to engage the clutch dog. Because if you don't have that shift interrupt, the centrifugal force is too much, and then when it goes in the gears, go bah! And then what happens is you damage the end of the clutch dogs and the gears. Normally when you need a clutch dog, you need a gear set because they're both worn evenly. Okay?
I was wondering, shouldn't this be like more closer?
You know what? So let's do this. So you see, this one's messed up. Look how bad that is. Look how worn out it is. So if that's worn, this is why you need a gear set. Look how worn that one is. Hey guys, come here real quick. I want to show you something on theirs. They got a good damage on their clutch dog. So when if you think you're just gonna change the clutch dog to solve the shifting problem, it'll work until it wears in. I'm gonna let this go. Look at the clutch dog here and look at the gear. So you got, I'm out of your way. Take a look at it. So when you need a clutch dog, you need a gear set because they both wear. You put a new clutch dog, yes, it'll last, but it won't last very long.
proper lotion.
You see how it's eating up? That's a really bad one. There.
These are all
That one needs a gear set.
whoopity wood.
And a gear set for that motor for this lower unit is probably about $2,500.
So my question is, does it hug it like this?
When it's shifting, it goes in here. So when you twist it, it moves. This will actually shift in and shift out, okay? So here's the deal. You gotta put this in, line this up first, and when you put this in, putting this in, you're gonna wanna turn this a certain way. So when you have it, you put this in slightly in an angle, and then or you can do it this way, and you just want it, once you have it in there, you think you have it there, shift it and hold the shaft, and this is the only thing that shouldn't move. If it doesn't shift, then you don't have it lined up. So put it in an angle. That's when I say an angle. You're gonna put it in an angle like this, see? And then you can work it in there, okay?